Alright, you guys, we got a really fun one today. Today, as you saw from the intro, I have 8 wheels lined up in front of me. 4 for this car, 4 for my car. We're going to slap them all on and then see how it looks, I guess. I just put fresh lowering springs on my car, so we'll get to see how the fitment looks there. And then Haley is lame and has stock ride height, so we get to see what her cool wheels look like on her stock ride height. Alright, without further ado, let's get to work. Alright, you guys, we just pulled both vehicles out of the garage and they are looking great. You can see here, we both got split 5-spoke gloss black wheels. They look fantastic. We're going to go wash them up. I'll probably show you what they look like after. And then we'll do a little comparison on fitment because someone's not lowered. Alright guys, we just got back from the car wash. You can see 2 beautiful vehicles here. Look at these beautiful wheels. Look at how shiny they are. No, they're very pretty. These are the NKTSVs. They look great. If you want to get a little fitment check when you get a second too. The fitment is phenomenal. If she lowered her car just like 1.5 inches, it'd be perfectly flush. It would look fan-freaking-tastic. So for all you 11th gen owners out there, these wheel specs, if you're curious, it's an 18 by 8.5 plus 38 offset. And then the tire is a 245/40/18 tire. Now on to 10th gen. This beautiful piece of art right here. My door is not closed. This one is lowered like 1.5 inches to 2 inches. It's on the iBox Sportline springs. You got almost the same wheel specs. It's an 18 by 8.5, but it's a plus 38 offset. And then the tire is the exact same at a 245/40/18. So the 11th gen is sitting on the NKTSVs, and this is on the Option Lab R716 in, what's it called? It's the gloss black color. I think it's called Gotham Black, if I'm correct. Yeah, they're beautiful. They're a little dirty right now, the little lug holes, but you know what? Other than that, they've been great. Beautiful, gorgeous. Chef's kiss.